any other businesses po na mangangailangan ng fast-pacing type of POS. Ang mag-read ng mga products natin every time na merong order yung ating customer, nilalagay lang natin dito lahat ng mga food orders nila. I have here a RFID chip kung tawagin. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS po. And in this video, I am going to show you another solution suitable for your business. And sa video na ito, I am going to set it up for a pay-as-you-order food and beverages type of business na napaka-fast moving yung process nila for ordering po. Maganda ito sa mga canteen ng schools or ng mga company canteens, especially if there are orders na manggagaling during peak hours like lunch break ng mga employees or any other businesses po na mangangailangan ng fast-pacing type of POS. So in my setup po, I have here my dual screen POS package. So meron tayong front display sa harap where the customer can see the total amount. I also have here the combo from the drawer to the printer. This is already touchscreen, but included na din sa package natin yung keyboard and mouse. I also have here this very big plate po. Tinatawag po natin itong NFC reader or near frequency reader po. It also means that this one, ang mag-read ng mga products natin every time na merong order yung ating customer. Nilalagay lang natin dito lahat ng mga food orders nila. So, how would that be possible? Paano natin to mapapa-work? So, each and every plato, platito, mangkok, ano man yung gagamitin natin, I have here a RFID chip kung tawagin. What's nice in this RFID chip is that this is very adhesible, meaning hindi po siya natatanggal like that. And this is also washable po. So kahit hugasan natin siya, hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng problema dito sa chip. As well as nakakapag-ano din siya ng high heat capacity. So kahit po ay microwave din natin, hindi naman po tayo magkakaroon ng problema with this chip. Now, the logic is very simple. Pag may order yung customer, nilalagay natin dito yung food and then once they're done, ilalagay lang nila dito sa ating NFC reader yung tray. So here, to make our setup plausible po, I have here a full tray of pagkain. So these are the food. I do have my spaghetti, pork chop, Bicol Express, and adobong baboy. So from here on, ilalagay ng customer natin ito dito sa ating NFC reader. By the way, the NFC reader size will depends on your preference. I do have a smaller version of this one. Ito yung pinaka-XL, which I highly motivate po kasi nakakover niya yung isang tray. Now, once the food is placed there, in the cashiering side, itatap lang ng cashier natin yung scan, which automatically it will scan the food na nandito. So you can actually also place it anywhere. Depends on your preference. Kahit saan nila ilagay yan, okay lang kasi automatic na na-scan. And you can hear the sound na nagka-create ng ating NFC reader, meaning it scanned the product. So now, once it's scanned, tap lang ni cashier yung new, automatically, hindi na siya tutunog, na-read na ng system natin yung mga food, and magde-display din siya sa harap in order for the customer to check yung mga food na na-scan natin. So we have 4 foods here. I have my Bicol Express, my pork chop, my adobong baboy, and then my spaghetti. So makikita din natin yung total amount in front dito sa customer display natin. Once you tap tender po, input lang ng cashier natin yung pera ng customer, and then enter lang until mag-print ang ating receipt and magbukas ang ating cash drawer. So, you can actually see that this is very direct to the point. Hindi na nagpa-punch isa-isa yung cashier natin, which makes it very fast and convenient for fast-moving type of businesses. So, I do have here my receipt indicating all of the orders ng customers natin. And by doing so, that is a very fast process for this kind of businesses. Now, if you want to know more how this NFC reader integrated with our BitPOS system work, you can book an online demo and you can also message us today.